All right, our focus question. Again, Jordan kept track of the miles that he hiked in 4 days. Using the graph, we're going to determine the median. So on Monday, we found the mode, which was no mode, which the number that we saw the most of, and you see no mode there. There's no number that's more than the other. The range was that biggest number minus the smallest number. Now our median is going to be the number in the middle. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? Also, don't forget, put in order. So let's put them in order. Well, first of all, let's remind ourselves. 6 miles hiked on Friday, 10 on Saturday and Sunday, and another 6 on Monday. So if I put them in the middle, or if I put them in order, I have a 6, a 6, a 10, and a 10. All right, so outside, outside. Uh-oh, I have 2 in the middle. The median is directly in between those two. So what number is in between 6 and 10? Well, there's a couple ways we can do it. Yes, we can count it out, but we can also add and then divide by 2. So if we do 10 plus 6, that equals 16. Then divide 16 divided by 2 because we're finding the mean or the average of these two numbers. So when we find the middle or the average, that'll be when you have 16 divided by 2, which equals 8. So in the middle is 8. So our median is 8. And this is all that you have to write, that the median is 8. That's all that you have to write on that page. And that's it. Great job.